morning, starting from 8. You remember I said this the other day. I was in Kiamariga somewhere in Nyeri. We had begun to visit a police station that got burned down sometimes back. And I did say that we want a clean access. An exercise to start from 8 in the morning and end at 5 in the evening. Throughout all the 427 recruitment centers. Yeah. So far, the reports that I've gotten from throughout the country, throughout all the recruitment centers, is that we are doing very well, and we are headed in the direction that, as I indicated, that we want to get the best from Kenya. Yeah, as the next crop of officers to come and continue the transformation journey of the service. So, as I've said, these young men and women, they are not only coming in as new recruits. We are also getting reformist officers here, so that they can be able we can be able to continue the reform agenda of the service. Yeah. So that's the reason why at the end of the day, by 5, we should be having the 10 hours police officers. And then from there, the next phase is the training phase. Yeah, they will be there for the next 9 months, and we are set on our trajectory, because we're also looking beyond recruitment. We're also looking at the 2027, when we have the general elections. These are the officers who will be on deployment to ensure that we have the right environment, allow the people of Kenya exercise their civic duty, and many others, to ensure that our country remains safe and secure all through. Thank you very much. My message to the youth is that we need a society that is upright. Yeah, and it is in them that even the public service, to get these officers, the officers of the public service are gotten from our youth. So, my message to the youth is that even when they are schooling, when they are going various training programs, it's also important for them to also focus into the future and avoid some of the unnecessary areas of conflict that can actually put them into unnecessary frictions later in the life.